All right, y'all, we are live on this beautiful Tuesday. Blessings to everybody in the name of Jesus, Yeshua, the Messiah. Even if you are not religious, I still pray you and your family are super blessed as Bitcoin is pumping, baby. It is absolutely pumping. This is crazy, guys. Sorry about the technical difficulties. Sorry about the technical difficulties in the beginning, because we in fact did have a weird thing with the countdown going on, guys. All right, major shout out to everybody in the chat. Major shout out to everybody in the chat. First of all, shout out to Thadrick. We're almost at 67. That's crazy. Stream is broke. Just went short. LOL. JK. Okay, shout out to Juice. Shout out to Bro. Are you? Bro, missed the pump, man. Dang, you're right. Well, we're still pumping. Shout out to Nirvana Replica. Shout out to Rady El Gallo. Shout out to Veer. He says we need the pump song real quick. Shout out to Follow Baba. What the pump is happening? Bearish Div on the Uno Hour. Shout out to Nirvana Replica. Shout out to Machu Picchu. Shout out to Ian Jufe Alino. Man, pump song. Holy pumpage. Be blessed, says Horace. You be blessed. Shout out to HFG. Good morning, man. God bless you. Shout out to Kasutu. And shout out to Roko. And shout out to X-Wing XRP5. Yo. Guys, the Bitcoin price is absolutely pumping like crazy right now. And we got to talk about this, man. We got to talk about this because right now, as we know, the Bitcoin price is absolutely getting a bullish move because, man, we are making higher highs. We are making higher highs. This is so nuts. When we take a look at all the volume right here, we can see that the Bitcoin price, if we turn off the VWAPs right now, has officially gotten a very bullish break above the POC of the range, which happened yesterday. All right. And not only that, but we even tried to like reject from it with like a daily candle, and then boom, yesterday, man, massive bullish engulfing candle. And right now, oh man, this is insane. This is not the right exchange. This is insane. Oh my goodness, guys, we are pumping like crazy. All right, we're coming up to $67,000, and this is such a key level, guys, because if you remember, 67,000 is in fact the POC of the range throughout most of the range history. All right, so look at this. Look at this. Would you guys look at this? This right now is such an important level. If we can get a move and a close above this level, guys, and especially a daily close, then 70K is definitely in the future right now for the Bitcoin price. All right. Oh man, this is such a key level here. Let's see what's happening on the order flow right now. Okay, let's check out exo charts. Let's see what's been happening with this. All right, is this a real move? Oh my goodness. Yeah, so we actually have a lot of longs coming in here. About 30 million longs opening up right here. Literally 30 million longs, guys. That is absolutely insane. 30 million longs. These guys are either about to get absolutely wrecked, or they are actually the real money that is pushing the price to the upside here. 31 million longs opening up. 5 million longs opening up above the VWAP right here. This is absolutely insane. And 67,000, this is definitely an area where we should be at least realizing some profits, all right? So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to realize some profits right here. All right, which brings us up to a grand total for this trade of $4,500 realized profits. All right, so this is, I guess, for the week, I guess. I don't know. We're up quite a bit of money on this account, at least for the week. And then, of course, on the other accounts as well. We are raking in the profits this week, guys. Okay, so would you look at this, man? As we are coming up right now above this massive POC, this is such an important level, all right? Let's watch and see what's happening on the lower time frames right now. 12-minute time frame. Now, keep in mind, this pump is unsustainable. At some point, we need some kind of a pullback, some kind of a little bit of a, how do you call it in English? I think like a consolidation. You know what I'm saying? We need some kind of a consolidation. This is super, super key right here, guys. Let's see what's happening. We're going to go down to our 1 minute time frame here. How's she looking here on the 1 minute? Honestly, I mean, this obviously is an unsustainable move. We're at a key resistance, but things are not looking very weak here. Now, let's keep in mind that this, like where we're at right now, guys, this is major resistance. I would be surprised if we just slice through here like a hot knife through butter. I would be very surprised if we don't get some kind of a pullback from this box. Some kind of a consolidation. We just had New York open about half an hour ago. New York loves to give us the old 1-2 punch. All right? But here's the thing. We need to be aware of the fact that, look, if you're not in a long trade right now, I would be very cautious longing after a massive pump like this on the 1 hour candle. But at the same time, there is still definitely, based on these higher time frames, more room to the upside. The confirmation of the 2-week time frame on market Cipher B, as we have compared this to previous lower time frame signals, when you have the money flow coming up like this and the momentum waves coming up like this, right? This, in my opinion, is look for an entry on buy the dip, because if you remember the 4-day in February, or was it January? I remember because it was right before I took like a week off trading back in, yeah, right here, back in January 2024. All right, I took a week off. The week I took off was this week right here in the beginning of February, where basically the Bitcoin price did nothing, literally nothing. But the confirmation of the 4-day green dot with the money flow getting thicker and the dot being so close to the zero line eventually ended us out with a massive move to the upside. Well, now we have that same signal, except this time on the 2-week. On the 2-week. All right, Bitcoin is pumping like a wild lady here. And this is literally crazy, guys. Oh my goodness, man. This is crazy. All right? Let's just watch this pump happen, man. This is absolutely nuts. 68K is next. All right, let's check out where our next resistance is. Right around this. Let's go to the weekly chart. Yeah, 68.3, give or take. That's going to be our next target right here. 68.270-ish. All right, that's going to be our next target. And then above that, of course, we have these highs at the value area high at $70,000, man. So this is nuts. This really is nuts, as Bitcoin is relentlessly pumping right now. Relentlessly pumping. Let's go ahead and see if we have very little resistances above us here. But yeah, 68.270. I mean, that's really our next major area of resistance right here. Of course, we need to be watching. We do need to be watching for, you know, basically, if we're going to lose $67,000, that opens up the door to more downside. We have to remember this 1 hour candle. Oh my goodness, look at that 1 hour candle, guys. I mean, in 1 hour, we've seen literally a massive pump to the upside, 2.3% in an hour. All right, 2.3% in an hour. This is nuts, man. This is absolutely nuts. All right, so what are we looking at here? I mean, if we start to get a pullback from these areas, because this is so bullish, we have to mark out some key areas of support and resistance. First of all, right now, our first support is going to be 666.05. All right, you guys know how much Bitcoin loves 666. If we continue to get a move to the downside, then we're going to be looking for support basically underneath these two lows right here. All right, so I'd say 65.2 and of course 666 are right now going to be our two major supports in the event of a move to the downside. All right, let's pull out some fibs and let's see what else we got here. Let's see what other confluences we got. Yeah, that golden pocket right at like 652. That's where it's going to be at. All right, you know what? I'm sorry, guys, but I'm going to have to FOMO in again. I'm going to have to add more to this long trade right now, because when in Pump City, when you are pumping like a wild lady in distress, you know, just take advantage. Just take advantage right now. All right, let's take advantage. We're going to see $68,000. 68. And we're going to close out $25,000. All right. There we go. That's a big pump. I don't know if we can do it, guys. I don't know if we can do it, but let's see, man. All right, one last thing that we do need to be aware of is, let's go ahead and just draw some basic trend lines on the chart. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, man. I cannot even believe this. All right, let's just go ahead and draw this. In fact, Let's use our ray tool for this. We want it to be really, really precise. All right. Let's use our ray. Okay. Yeah, the only other thing we do need to be aware of is coming up to reject from that trend line right now. But man, this is crazy, guys. All right. This is insane, man. I can't even believe it. Can you guys even believe this? Look at this crazy pump, man. Look at this crazy pump. All right, what do we have up here? 70,000. I mean, 70,000, guys. That's insane. We might actually hit this. Am I getting too bullish? Am I getting too bullish? This is nuts, man. This is crazy. Alright, just got a notification on here. Hang on one second, guys. Alright. Okay. We are pumping like a wild lady in distress. I'm gonna set a take profit at I guess 68K is the logical place, man. 68. We'll take some profits out, 68,000. Alright. Take some profits out, 68,000. We'll lock in a quick 2 grand up there. Oh my goodness, man. And then, of course, we got to take some profits at 70K. $70,000. Is it crazy? Is it crazy? I don't know. Oh, man. Guys, this is insane. Oh, my goodness. We're pumping like crazy. I can't believe it. My heart is palpitating. My palms are sweaty. My knees are weak. The treadmill's too slow. We got to go faster. Oh, man. This is crazy. We're about to hit a take profit right now, guys. We are about to hit some take profits right now, man. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. All right, we're gonna have to sing the pump song, and I hope the music plays this time. All right, this is gonna hit our take profits. It's very early in the stream for a pump song, but you gotta do what you gotta do, guys. All right, guaranteed to pump the price every single time. Actually, you know what? I don't know if we'll be able to sing the pump song today. I don't know if we'll be able to. Give me 1 second. Hang on 1 second. Hang on 1 second. Hang on. The pump song is it's in limbo, guys. Give me 1 second here. Hold up, hold up. All right, here we go. Commence the pump song. All right. Here we go. Alright. Guaranteed to pump the price every single time. We want to hit our take profit at $68,000. Oh my goodness, we just missed it. Oh no. Let's pump! Come on, Bitcoin. Don't do this now. Yeah. Crap. Crap! Come on, Bitcoin! Yeah. No, we're gonna pop. We're gonna duck. No, we're gonna pop. We're gonna duck. No, we're gonna pop. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. We're gonna duck. No, we're gonna pop. We're gonna duck. No, we're gonna pop. We're gonna duck. No, we're gonna pop. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. Yeah. All right, here we go. Let's pump. Alright, we know it's an unsustainable move, but we at least want to hit our next take profit. Make sure to put your bull hat on, baby. Alright, make sure to put on the bull hat. Here we go. Right into the take profit. Can you even spot it, baby? Here we go. We're gonna duck. No, we're gonna pop. We're gonna duck. No, we're gonna pop. We're gonna duck. No, we're gonna pop. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. We're gonna duck, no, we're gonna pop.
we're gonna dump, now we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, now we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. Yeah.
Alright, here we go, baby. Pumping the Bitcoin straight to 100,000. Yeah, we're at some resistance, but here's the good news. Whenever you front run a key level, it typically means we're gonna go higher. We're gonna pump the price higher, baby. Yeah. Where's the stop loss? There is no stop loss. Let's go.
We're gonna dump, now we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, now we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, now we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. We're gonna dump. We're gonna dump. We're gonna dump, now we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. Yeah. Yeah, we're pumping Bitcoin, baby. Yeah, we're pumping Bitcoin, baby. Yeah, we're pumping Bitcoin. Yeah, we're pumping Bitcoin. Yeah, we gonna dump. Yeah, we're gonna pump. Yeah, we gonna dump. Yeah, we're gonna pump right now.
Alright, guys, sometimes the pump song has a delayed effect, and I have to be honest with you, I'm gonna have to FOMO out 25,000 right here. Alright, there we go. Sorry. Locked in $5,000. Alright, this might be a dump. Alright, after a move like that, guys, we might get a move back down. Let me go ahead and adjust the audio, because I know it's kind of loud here. Alright, let's see. This is not a time to be joking around. Alright, this is the time to be very serious. Alright, typically when you front run a key level like we just did here at 68,271, it means we're gonna come higher. But after a move like that, guys, that is unsustainable. So if you're trying to hedge your bets, then this is the best place in case we get a dump. Here we go. Yo, it's Jay Casper, and don't you know, you better sit back and listen to my crypto flow. Welcome all of you to the Jay Casper Show. Make sure to like and subscribe so that you know when the Bitcoin price is getting a move. About to hop on the live stream, acting real smooth. The Bitcoin price, I don't mean to be rude. Candles are not purple, but they're only turning blue, cause we're pumping up to the all-time high. Don't you know that the Bitcoin price is about to fly? Look up and I see it shining in the sky. $70,000, so fly. Yeah, I'm pretty fly for a white guy, freestyling on the web, that's how I stay high. Every day walking on the treadmill, in my long trades only going downhill. Cause it's so dang easy, making all the profits, it makes me so cheesy. I take all the cheese and I smash it in the pasta, mix it all together like a nice rasta. Yeah, here we are now looking at the chart. Got the purple candle coming down like a work of art. The blue candle going up very, very high. Then we get the purple candle, then we slap back to the sky. Okay, so we might get a little dump. Let's do some analysis to see where we will stump. If we take a line and we put it on the chart at the previous high, then we see we are smart. Because if we get a nice move down, the Bitcoin price could then turn around. So we FOMO out, take some profit, look for the bounce, then can you spot it? We come up to the high, oh my goodness, at 70,000. The Bitcoin price, won't you take a look around and see? Everybody wants it to pump, nobody in the house wants Bitcoin to dump. But what? The candles were blue, but now they're turning purple. Got me so delusional, I'm running in circles. Jason, you're a nerd, just like Steve Urkel. And I got the gas in my belly, now I gotta burp, yo. Yeah, I did it again. Bitcoin hanging out with all her good friends. 68K, now we're here on the fence. About to pump, about to dump in our Mercedes Benz. Yeah, from the dealership, the Bitcoin price, let me eat some chips. Potato or tortilla, now let me know. What chip do you like while you watch me flow? Cause you know, got tortilla chips, dip it in the salsa. Bitcoin price, you know she's so alta. Alta in Spanish means high, cause you know that the blue candles are about to pump into the sky. Hey yo Jay, you know Espanol? Of course I do, man. Son is also other things I know. I don't like to spit it cause the Bitcoin price about to get it. Yeah. Now we got a purple doji looking kinda fly on the chart. Now you Yoshi talking about Super Mario and Yoshi. Maybe Luigi and then we groceries to the store. You know Bitcoin about to hit the floor as we're walking straight through the front door. Yeah, yeah. Alright. Can we get 1,000 likes for a giveaway, guys? Can we do 1,000 likes for a giveaway? Crypto Face is on a $20 million long. That's nuts. That's nuts. All right, let's check out the order flow and see how she's looking here. That's a big decrease of OI, guys. If we could get a fast move down for a retest. All right, and honestly, I would look to add at 666 because Bitcoin loves 666. Are we about to dump? Or are we about to pump? I don't know. Are we about to dump? Are we about to pump? Or are we about to dump? Let's check it out. Let's change the music too. All right. Let's change the music. We got to get some. If we want this thing to pump, we need some crazy music. Oh na na na, baby. Is Bitcoin about to dump? Are we gonna dump? Are we gonna dump? Oh na na na, baby. Oh na na na. Here we go, Bitcoin about to pump. Here we go, Bitcoin won't dump. Here we go, Bitcoin about to pump. Here we go, Bitcoin won't dump. Here we go, Bitcoin about to pump. Here we go, Bitcoin won't dump. Here we go, candles turning blue. Bitcoin about to show you what you're gonna do. Here we go, Bitcoin about to pump. Here we go, Bitcoin won't dump. Here we go, Bitcoin about to pump. Here we go, here we go. Here we go, got the candles turning blue. Bitcoin gonna show you what you're gonna do. Here we go, got the candles turning purple. Heck no, Steve Urkel. Here we go, got the candles turning blue. Bitcoin about to show you what you're gonna do. Here we go, strain case 68. Bitcoin price better late. Yeah, Bitcoin about to pump. Bitcoin flying, we're not in the slump. Cause the candles turning purple, now the candles turning blue. Bitcoin about to show you what she gonna do. As we head up straight to 68,000. Bitcoin price, take a look around. From the east to the west when we're going really loud. Every single day when we're looking for the sound of the profits coming out, ka-ching, ka-ching. Making those trades, can you hear the ring? Got a purple doji here on the chart. Now the blue candles like a work of art. Yeah, now we're pumping really high. Bitcoin price is about to fly. I said, oh yeah, now we're pumping really high. The Bitcoin price is about to fly. No, yeah, now we're pumping really high. Bitcoin price is about to fly. No, yeah, now we're pumping really high. Bitcoin price is about to fly. Yeah, we're pumping really high. Bitcoin price is about to fly. Yeah, now we're pumping really high. Bitcoin price is about to fly. Yeah, now we're pumping really high. Bitcoin price is about to fly. Yeah, now we're pumping really high. And the Bitcoin price is about to fly. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, here we go, baby. Here we go. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, here we go. Yeah. All right, so we pumped it back up. We got a little purple doji right there, all right? A little bit of a purple doji. A little bit of a purple doji, okay? So that's okay. That means we're coming back up, all right? That means we're coming back up. Let's get some different music on, all right? Let's get some different music on now. Shout out to Lena Zag, all right? We'll get on some classic hip-hop beats, all right? Okay, so here's the deal, guys. We understand the move up so far has been a bit unsustainable, all right? The move so far has been a bit unsustainable. And if we get a move to the downside, what are we looking for? We're looking to retest 66605. Why would we be looking for a move to the downside right now? Well, you have to understand that this move to the upside here was fueled by shorts getting wrecked and longs opening up. But it happened with a big decrease of open interest here. And most of the longs that opened up in this candle are now out. They've taken profits. And when you get a big move like that, especially after a New York Open, it can lead to a 1-2 punch. When you see a big move like this, it's unsustainable. Let's go ahead and take a look at a TPO chart. All right, let's go to the TPO chart. We left behind these things called single prints. What are single prints, you might ask? Well, let me explain. Single prints, guys, are when this is a time profile chart right here on a time price opportunity chart. Every half-hour candle that makes contact with price leaves behind rows of prints, right? Now, when you have one candle that moves really fast, it leaves behind a whole bunch of rows of single prints in the time profile right here. And this means basically fast move up, fast move back down. It's very likely that we come back down to fill the single prints at between 663.37 and 673.12. So we have that nice area, support resistance flip, right in this area, okay? This is definitely, like, if you're scared and you're in longs and you want to hedge, in my opinion, which is not financial advice, this could be a really good place to open up a hedge trade, all right? This could be a really good place to open up a hedge trade right here, because we came right up to a very key area on the chart. All right, what did we come up to? We came up to none other than, well, actually, we front ran a key level. Never mind then. We front ran a key level. I thought we hit, we front ran a key level here, guys. So, all things considered, here's what I would expect to happen. I would expect we either get quite a bit of a pullback, maybe come down to this, right around VWAP, actually. I mean, 666 to 663, and then we actually do come up and bust through 68.2. The reason I say that is because you will notice most of the time when Bitcoin's in free fall pump mode and we have a key area of resistance above us, but we front run the level and we start to get a pullback, next time we test that level, it typically ends up being a big break to the upside, all right? So I am personally going to draw a box on my chart, all right? And I'm going to be adding to my trade right here. If we come down to, let's see. I'll be adding to my trade right around this zone right here. 666, because Bitcoin loves 666. I don't know why. All right, maybe Bitcoin's the mark of the beast. I don't know. Some people think Bitcoin's the mark of the beast. What do you think? If you think Bitcoin's the mark of the beast, then let me know in the chat. Let me know in the chat. I'm not talking about the chart. Okay, what is up with the arrows on the chart right now? Order history, I don't like that. Quick order, I don't like that. Okay, now we are getting a move down. Okay, it's obvious we're getting the move to the downside now. Okay. Oh my goodness, we are getting a move down now. All right. This is quite interesting. All right. Monthly level 67580. Do we have a monthly level at 67580? Hang on. Let's see. Do we have a monthly level there? I don't see one. But yeah, it looks like we could come down to test. Look, we have a lot of confluence right now, actually. Single prints, we're in the single prints, so probability say we're going to come down to 666.337. Let's put it on our chart. 666.337. 66337. All right, this is going to be where we fill the single prints. So this is where we would draw a little box and say if we come down to the box, then we look to add to a long trade. Now, think of it this way as well. We come back to, we've entered into the single prints, guys. All right, so we could easily come down. Let's take a look now at the order flow again and see what has happened here. Yeah, a big decrease of open interest as well. So all the longs, basically, most of the longs that opened up in this one candle are now out. A few shorts opening up at that high there. Overall, all things considered, guys, I would say that I would expect a little bit of a flush, New York with the old 1-2, and then within a few hours, we get a bounce, right? This could take long or short right here. Let's see, baby. All right, let's see how she wants to go. So 666. All right, we're getting a move down, baby. Dow is bouncing now. 68.4 is the daily high before August carry pullback. Says Khan. 67 won't hold. 66666 then rocket. Yeah, Bitcoin loves 66666. All right, make sure to smash up the likes. Let's see if we have enough likes to do a giveaway. Do we have enough likes to do a giveaway? Let's see. Man, can you believe that we front ran that 68,000 take profit? What a crazy thing. Jason, you fool. You idiot, man. You were too bullish. All right, we don't have enough likes, but we do have enough people in the chat. All right, let's see. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, we want to hold our box, Bitcoin. We don't want to lose our box. Come on now. Let's see. We'll draw a little box on here as well. We start to lose this, and we're going to have to FOMO out a little bit, right? This purple box must hold. Purple box must hold. All right. Green box must hold, all right? White box must hold, all right? Let's check out some other assets here. We'll check out the ES. Oof. ES is going for these lows, interestingly enough. All right, let's watch and see what happens if the ES goes for these lows. Maybe we get a reversal there. How's the dollar doing? Man, the dollar and Bitcoin are mirroring each other. How's NQ? All right, NASDAQ has just taken the lows here. So let's see if NASDAQ starts to come back above 25,650. That's a good sign for Bitcoin. And if not, the next level that the NQ is going to go for is going to be this one down here at the support resistance flip at 25.25. Oh, looking like it's all right here. Look at this. We're starting to get the move to the upside on the NASDAQ. All right, let's get back to our Bitcoin. All right, Bitcoin's starting to get a little bit of a bounce-a-roni. Oh, man. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on. We're cheering for you. Come on, girl. You got this, girl. Come on, girl. You got this, girl. All right. 80K this week, says the Salty Shaker LOL. The Salty Shaker LOL. All right. Who else we got in the chat? Got to give a major shout out to our super chat, Dave Augustine. He says, take my money because I'm making bank today. Pump, baby. Well, God bless you, man. Thank you so much for the super chat. All right. Sui winding up. I called Bitcoin USD hegemony. Preparing for war, says Divine Hood. We're also above an ascending support. All right, what's Divine Hood talking about here? Shout out to my man Emmanuel26 who says like. Shout out to Dave Digital. Shout out to Nima. Shout out to Justin Barker. Boxes do help. Shout out to Divine Hood. He says, Jason, bro, we hit the top of a steep ascending channel on the dollar. No front run on that key resistance. Well, dang, bro. I hope that that's not the resistance, because I don't have that level on my chart, man. But dang, Divine Hood, that would not be cool. All right, I'm gonna have to, if we don't hold this box, guys, I'm gonna have to take some profits on this long trade here. You know, man, can you believe that, guys? That is pretty crazy. That is pretty crazy. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, well. Oh, well. All right. All right, Bitcoin overbought. You're not getting your 80K this month. Uni Death Raven Troll! Quit trolling, man. All right, you posted the chart in Discord, says Divine Hood. All right, let's check it out. Let's check it out. Let's check out the chart in Divine Hood in the Discord. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Here we go. Man. Shout out to Divine Hood with the channels. All right. That's crazy, Divine Hood. Man. All right. Okay. Okay. So you can see we hit that Divine Hood level. All right. So look, I'm looking for a bit of a pullback here. Nothing too crazy, my dear. Sit back and let me spit it in your ear. All right. Sit back and let me spit it in your ear. Yesterday's ETF bought $500 million of Bitcoin. Today they will buy $1 billion. Says sample for newbies. No music? No, we got some music in here. Hang on. There we go. We got a little music in the back. CryptoFace closed the long. Can you short? I mean, you could do anything you want. You can do anything you want. Do you have a plan for a short? 666 is the 618. I know, right? Look at this, guys. I guess what 618 are you talking about? The local 618. Yeah. Yeah, 666 is that local 618 right here. Yeah, that box, guys, right in between the local 618 and the 786. Right in between the local 618 and the 786. All right. CryptoFace got so mad he TP and closed the live. Okay, all right. It happens. Has anyone called me Jason Casper? Or is it Jason with a G? I don't think anyone's ever called me Jason Casper. All right. But look, if we don't bounce from this box, I'm going to have to take some profits on the long. And I might even close out this long, to be honest with you guys. All right. We'll have to see. I consider a $5,000 win a good win for this long trade here. So I'm not upset. Not upset. Plus, we might bounce. All right. Shout out to everybody in the chat, guys. Make sure to smash up the likes. We got 2,300 people watching. We only have 800 likes. All right, let's see who we got in the chat. He said he effed up with the algorithms when he went live. NYC007J says, yup, 300 grand ain't bad. Yeah, seriously, CryptoFace has been crushing it. I'm pretty sure CryptoFace, every single trade he's taken in the past few months has been pretty juicy. We're about to bounce. Stay firm, baby. All right, let's see. Well, again, remember why we're getting this move to the downside, guys. We've already been through why this is happening. We had an unsustainable pump to the upside on New York Open. We had a lot of longs open here with a lot of shorts getting wrecked. But now the longs have closed out, right? So there's no new money coming in here. We're just kind of floating through. And when you have a really unsustainable move to the upside, well, fast move up equals fast move down. So what's most likely going to happen here? Most likely, we're going to come down to test either these single prints here, or we come down to take the lows down here. All right. One of these two scenarios, either we get a bounce from here, or we basically take everything back and do this, right? Wreck every single person who's been long today and do that. These are now the two levels I am interested in looking for longs. Looking for longs. You know, also interestingly enough, speaking of Divine Hood and his channel, oh wait, never mind. Where did we draw that ray? Hang on, where did we draw that ray? Let's go to the weekly time frame and draw that ray again. No, we're here. Okay, yeah, we didn't hit that ray. Let's pull another ray. Oof. Wow. Oh my goodness. Wow, okay. So I didn't know about this, but shout out to Divine Hood's channel. Oh, that's a front run too, never mind. All right, we're below 67,000. Again, guys, we need a daily close above 67K, because if we don't get a daily close above 67K, well, that means we've rejected from an area of resistance. All right, so we got the New York Open. We got the old New York Open 1-2. We're waiting for a bit more of a pullback here into our box. All right, into our box. And if we don't bounce from the box, I'm going to have to take some profits out, man. Which is a tad bit unfortunate. Tad bit unfortunate here. All right. All right. NQ, Dumperoni, all the liquidity is to the upside other than new liquidations. 68K for sure. 70K definitely a possibility, says preparing for war. Shout out to Divine Hood. He's watching the same Ray, but as a channel on the daily chart I posted the other day as well. I can repost today. Okay, shout out to Divine Hood. And by the way, guys, if you want to trade Bitcoin and altcoins, first of all, good old BLOFIN offering 10% cash back on everything you deposit. Link in the description and the pinned comment. Also, if you want to trade with very low fees, I highly recommend you check out MEXC, because MEXC, literally, 0% limit order fees, 0.01% market order fees, but you have to KYC for MEXC. Also, if you want to join the Casper Crew VIP Discord, jayscaspertrading.com, click the link to join the best trading community in the world. And I think that's all I got to show, man. Shout out to Market Cipher. I'm also the world's leading Market Cipher shill. All right, shout out to Crypto Face. All right, let's see how we're doing here. All right, we're coming to the box, baby. We're coming to the box. We need to hold the box. The box must hold. The box must hold. All right, the box must hold. Come on, box. Come on, Bitcoin box. All right, shout out to Splashfire Films. Shout out to Jagdish OP. Nice, man. You got a 75% scholarship for 11th and 12th grade. What's up, man? That's what's up. Max Payne is shifted down. Big shorts in EXO. Dump is real. Ready for long. All right, let's check out EXO. Actually, believe it or not, at least not for ByBit, we don't really have shorts opening up here on ByBit right now. What big shorts are you talking about, my man? All I see here are a few million longs trying to long. But in my opinion, they're a little early. All right, they're a little early in my opinion, but let's wait and see. All right, let's wait and see. What do I think of CAT, USDT, and PopCat? I don't know. People are trading them. People are making lots of money. Oh no. Preparing for War says we did hit 68K. My liquidity heat map was frozen. Did we hit 68K on certain exchanges? Let's check it out. Let's go to Coinbase. What exchanges did we hit 68K on? How about futures? Yeah, futures hit 68K. Futures hit 68K. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh. Oh. All right, no need to fear. No need to fear. We're going to play it by ear. No need to fear. Why don't I trade altcoins? I would be a billionaire. Would I be a billionaire if I traded altcoins? If I'm using the same risk to reward ratio? I don't know. I don't know. I like Bitcoin. Me and Bitcoin share the same soul. All right. I don't have time to trade altcoins. But I do trade them sometimes. And look, I'll be honest with you. If I'm going to leverage trade altcoins, it's not the same as Bitcoin. You can't use such big position sizes if you're leverage trading altcoins. You got to use lower leverage and smaller position sizes. So it's kind of the same thing, I'll be honest with you. All right, here we go. We're coming down to our box. All right. All right. Plus, I have no desire to be a billionaire anyway, you know. I just like to make slow and steady gains, man. Slow and steady wins the race. Slow and steady wins the race. All right, let's see what happens here. Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy. All right, we're getting a little bounce from the pullback from the golden pocket. Got to give a major shout out to Louise Weejan, 67950. All right. The volume is off the chain, says somebody. All right, you know what? If we do not bounce from the box, I'm going to have to take some profits out of here. Can you believe it? Can you believe it, guys? Here we go. We're trying to get a bounce from the box. Did we hit VWAP? We're front running VWAP. Let's watch and see what happens as we come to VWAP. What we want to see is we want to see shorts trapped below VWAP. All right, which we're not really seeing too many shorts open, to be honest with you. All right, we're tapping into the VWAP. We're tapping into VWAP here. Let's put on our VWAP. All right, we filled the single prints to the dollar. To the dollar, we filled the single prints to the dollar. Okay, so now we hit a bounce from here, or we do not bounce from here. We hit a bounce from here, or we do not bounce from here. If we do not bounce from here, oh man, I have to close the trade. I have to close the trade. Oh no, I have to close the trade. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Jason, how in the world did your take profit not get hit at that level? All right, this is it, guys. All right, we lose this and I am gonna have to close the trade. All right, looks like I'm gonna have to close the trade. How do I move the stop loss? I'm unsure how to move the stop loss, guys. There we go. Oh. All right. Okay. Not a big deal, guys. We made $5,500. All right. I'm going to have to mark it out right now. All right. Made a nice $4 grand so far for the day. All right. Let's see what happens here, guys. Oh man, oh man, oh man. All right, so we better bounce from this area or we're taking the low. We're probably now going to take the lows. Let's see what happens. Let's do some fresh analysis here, guys. All right, let's do some fresh analysis. Let's close off all this stuff and let's go back to the drawing board. So we got ourselves our range. All right, got ourselves our range. We're coming down to the POC. We're going to go ahead and pull the Fibonacci. Let's pull a fib from a bit lower. Okay. Let's put on market Cipher. Oh man, okay. Cool, cool, cool. I see how we're looking here. I've got my eyes on this level, 65,190 right now. For a potential bounce, 65,190. 65,190. Oh man. 65,190. Let's see. What do I see? I see 65,190 as being key support. Because this is basically, if we come down below the lows that we made yesterday. No, I'm sorry. If we take the daily low, we will have very bullish divergences here. Right? We take the daily low, we will have very bullish divs here. All right. So I am getting ready to FOMO into a long trade in the event that we take that level. All right. Let's see here. We got to watch and wait, wait and watch, watch and wait. Come on, Bitcoin, come on. Watch and wait. All right, we also right now have just taken out this liquidity right here. All right, we've taken out these lows right here. The juiciest level is going to be 65,190. And then, of course, if we're going to make a higher low, it's probably going to be right here. A higher low will come in 65.4 at the Fibonacci 618. And a lower low for a CDW would come in at 65,190. All right. So let's see. This is potential bounce zone numero uno, but we would like to see if we can't come a little bit lower. But this is definitely potential bounce zone numero uno right here. Is the weekly VWAP. Let's go to our 1 minute time frame. 1 minute time frame. It looks like she does want to come down lower, guys. All right, she does look like she wants to come down lower. Let's take a look at some of our higher time frames right now. Wow, what the heck? Hang on, let's go to the 4 hour. Let's go to the 1 hour. Oof. Man, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie, the 1 hour doesn't look that great. Sheesh. Man. Alright. All right, now we have some shorts opening up down here. Man, I would love if we just came a little bit lower. But again, if we're going to make a higher low, this is the place where it's going to happen because we're at the weekly VWAP. But I would like to come back down a little bit lower. Am I always trading on treadmill? Yes, always am. Dang it, Bitcoin pumping too early, huh? Pumping too early. First we dumped too early, now we pump too early. You know, sometimes that's just how she rolls, all right? You dump too early, you pump too early. You dump too early, you pump too early, right? All right, premature pumpulation. Crypto King says, Moon Boys clapped. Let's get this ball rolling. We close like this on the 4 hour, we're going to 9K. We close like this on the 4 hour, we're going to 9K, says Crypto. All right, all right. All right, well, let's see what happens, guys. I'd like to come down a little bit lower. A little bit lower, but I have to be honest, guys, the 1 hour does not look good. The 4 hour does not look good. Actually, the 4 hour doesn't look too bad. I think we can get a little move up. I think we can get a little move up if we take those lows. All right, let's watch and wait and see here. Why people giving a thumbs down? Why? Who's thumbs downing? All right, here we come. Here we come for the lows. Look out below. All right, I'm gonna go for it. See if we can't get a little retrace back to the GP, baby. Let's see if we can't get a little retracement back to the GP, baby, if you know what I mean. All right, let's check out market cipher here. Go to the 1 minute. Well, to be honest with you, the 1 minute looks like absolute garbaggio. Let's go to the 6 minute. The 6 minute looks like it could turn out kind of good. The reason why I say is because, well, technically speaking, we've got ourselves money flow and a momentum coming up here. All right. So technically speaking, we got money flow and a momentum coming on up. And the first resistance that we actually have is going to be this right here. We break through this, and then we come up to 66K. All right. So yeah, support resistance flip needs to be broken through here. Obviously, this is an aggressive entry, but yeah, let's see here. 60. If we break through that, we go up to 66K. If we break through that, then we come and back test 668, where we could potentially now look for another short, because, you know, we come up and then do something like that, which would give us the classic head and shoulders pattern, the classic HSP. All right, HSP. Now look, if anybody took this long trade with me, I'm just putting it out there. You have no excuse to get wrecked, all right? Literally, you have no excuse to get wrecked right now, all right? Because the trade is in profit, and if I wanted to right now, I could close it out for a $600 profit, all right? So if you took this with me, it's not financial advice, but you have no excuse to get wrecked on this, all right? None! All right? Just telling you. Let's see. Let's see who we got in the chat. Shout out to everybody in chat. Look, we're at first resistance, all right? We're literally at first resistance. So this trade right now, as it stands, is technically a good risk to reward ratio, 2 to 1. I'm just telling everybody because I don't want people complaining that they got wrecked following a YouTuber, all right? So let's see. Funny how news and events always coincide on the charts. Shout out to Tito Gaines, who's feeling great today. Well, God bless you. May Jesus bless you. Is there a giveaway today? I mean, let's see how this trade goes out, all right? Let's see how the trade plays out. Let's see how the trade plays out, all right? We're looking for a 66K target at the 382 retest here. And then we're looking for a 668 at the GP. And then we're potentially looking to short it, because I'll be honest with you guys, these higher time frame divs look really, really bearish. The higher time frame divs look really, really bearish. One thing that's good is we have a lot of shorts. Whoa, we have a lot of shorts to potentially squeeze here. All right. We have a lot of shorts to potentially squeeze here. A lot of shorts to potentially squeeze right here, y'all. Here we go! Like Mario! Alright. We broke 1,000 likes at resistance. Yeah, we got 3,000 people in the house, baby. Let's see if we can't smash up the likes to a new all-time high. Alright. Let's check this out. Let's check out Market Cipher B on the low time frames here. Oh, okay, so we're at POC. This is honestly a place where we could really reject here. All right, we could reject from the POC. And then, of course, we have the backtest of VWAP at 66.3. So I'm going to shoot for... look, this could be... I like what I see here on the 6-minute market Cipher B. I like what I see here on the 3-minute market Cipher B. All right. So let's wait and see how she goes. 66. This is our VWAP right around here. 66.240. 66.240. All right. Shout out to Jay Ulian. Shout out to Jared. He was like 999. You're just here for the market sentiment. Well, honestly, the 1 hour time frame really scares the crap out of me right now because of this potentially very bearish divergence. The 2 hour time frame also kind of scares the crap out of me. But if we're simply just going to take the lows and then get a move to the upside, I mean, the 12-minute, in my opinion, the 12-minute looks really nice here. This is, I'm front-running a divergence like crazy right now because technically speaking, the momentum is here, right? So that is a divergence. And as we go down even to the 3-minute time frame, we have divergences here. Confirmed ones as well. So right now we're finding resistance at the POC of the range, which is why we're getting a move down here. So let's see, we're retesting the weekly VWAP. Let's go ahead and pull a local fib here. Let's see if we don't do something like this, you know, come down a little bit and then eventually come up to our VWAP. The VWAP would be a place to look. Let's put on our 0.5 Fibonacci. Yeah, right there at the 0.5 Fibonacci. All right. Let's see how she goes. It's a little bit different on BLOFIN than it is on ByBit USD, but that's to be expected, baby. All right, that is to be expected. You have a pumpkin spice candle. Is that bullish? Yeah, that is bullish. Let's go ahead and change our blue candles to pumpkin spice. So look, we did have a lot of shorts opening up at the bottom here. Let's go to the 5-minute order flow chart. Yeah, we had a few shorts opening up here, and they are kind of at their entry. Let's see if we can't squeeze them. A reclaim of VWAP, guys, is going to be very bullish, and then I do think we can hit 68K, but it's got to happen. It's got to happen soon. All right. All right, let's go to our... This is our 5-minute chart here. We got our pumpkin spice candles on, baby. All right, we got our pumpkin spice candles on. We took our liquidity. Let's see what we got now. Come on. Come on, Bitcoin. 20 minutes to news. What news do we have coming out in 20 minutes? Let's check it out at forexfactory.com. I don't know if this counts, man. The FOMC member Daly speaks, and Kugler's gonna speak. I don't know. I don't think Kugler really matters, to be honest with you. I don't think Kugler really matters. All right. I don't think Kugler really matters. Shout out to Dano Crypto. Hope everyone is doing good today. Shout out to you, my man, Dano Crypto. We're gonna stop me out and then go up. All right. I mean, if it happens, crypto wave, it happens, my man. You know, I don't care. I don't care at all. All right, I'll tell you why I don't care. I made a lot of money today, so if I get stopped out of the trade, I don't care. All right. QQQ matters. Those shorts are about to print money. Let's see. Did anyone hop into a short trade? I'm not gonna lie, I did hop into a short trade. Because, well, I got a hedge, man. All right. Price action looks bearish, says Mr. Until Yesterday. I mean, we had a big drop to the downside after a big move to the upside. Honestly, I don't think this looks super bearish at all. All right, I think this looks like exactly what Bitcoin likes to do, right? Bitcoin likes to get everybody really bullish. Think about what happened, guys. Literally, in a few minutes, we saw Bitcoin get a massive move up of like almost 3%, which is huge for Bitcoin. And it happened right after New York opened, right? So New York opens, we immediately get a pump, and then we get the dump. I don't think that looks ultra bearish at all. All right, then we've taken the liquidity from the pre-New York open, basically the daily low. We've taken out the daily low. We've closed the 5-minute candle above. We got some bull divs printing here on our 6-minute, looking pretty nice. Potentially even on the 12-minute, looking pretty nice. I think we can get a bit of a move to the upside here. 3-minute even, looking pretty nice. The 2-minute, the 2-minute money flow looks good. And the 1-minute money flow is like the only thing that looks like crap, to be honest with you. Everything else looks kind of like we could get a move up from here. All right, but we did reject from POC of range. All right, so look, it might not work out, but look, I did tell everybody when we were up here that if anybody copied this trade, you have no excuse to cry that you got wrecked from copying me, because there was a chance for us all to get out at a 2-to-1 risk-reward ratio. But I chose not to, because I am going for more. All right. So, just so we're all aware, we've got our pumpkin spice candles on the chart. Let's go ahead and pull a fib from low to high. We're coming down to the local golden pocket retest. All right, let's see. It's now or never. It's now or never, literally. This is the retest of the move. If we can't get a bounce from this area, then we are screwed, baby. We are screwed, baby. All right. Looking to long 75K. I'm looking to take profits at 75K, to be honest with you. You know, I'm looking to take profits at 75K. Oh, man. Let's see what happens with this Bitcoin dump. I hope, you know, it would be nice to get a little bit of a bounce from here. It would be nice to get a little bit of a bounce from here, guys. Let's see what happens. All right. Let's see what happens. This is make it or break it. This is now or never. Now or never for Bitcoin, baby. To the moon in 1 minute, says social tournaments. Shout out to Mighty from Pakistan. God bless you. Looking to short 57. Is it leg day? Man, it's never leg day for your boy JC, aka Jason Casper. Do I work for the U.S. government? Do I work for the government? Yeah, I work for the government. Yeah, that 1 hour bear div could be really bad. It could be really, really bad, actually. Could be really bad, man. That 1 hour bear div, I'm not gonna lie, that could be really bad. Come on, 6 minute. Come on, 3 minute. Come on. Yeah, the 1 hour bear div could be really bad. If that red dot. Oh. Yeesh. Yeesh, man. All right. Shout out to JCSGO. What up, man? Just learned this week I'm going to be a dad. Well, congratulations, man. You know, the health movies were right. It just takes one time. And congratulations. May God bless the fruit of your loins. In Jesus' name. All right, we're in the green, baby, if you know what I mean, baby. We are in the green, baby, if you know what I mean, baby. The pumpkin spice candles are starting to turn around for us. Let's come back to our market cipher B 6 minute. Come on, 6 minute. We just need one green dot. That's all we ask. Come on, 6 minute. Just give us one green dot. That's all we ask. That's all we ask. Come on, 6 minute. Come on, value area low of the range. Come on, baby. Come on, Bitcoin. Dang. Here, come on, Bitcoin, come on. See what's happening here. Nothing really too much, to be honest with you. Let's see what's happening. All right, we're looking for a move like this. All right, that's what we're looking for right now. Come on, Bitcoin. You can do it. You can do it. Can she do it, guys? Let me know. Can she do it? Let's take a poll. Can she do it? Can she do it? So most people are say 67K today. We hit it. So you guys were right. Congratulations. All right, let's see. Start another poll. Can BTC bounce here? Question mark. All right, shout out to my man JGD for the super chat. He says, God bless you, man. You were one of the good ones. 63K-ish. Monthly open, weekly open, daily order block, daily support resistance flip, POC, entire upper range. May the Lord convict us all. 63-ish. 63-ish. Let's see where that's at. Yeesh. All right, 63-ish. Oh yeah, weekly open. Yeah, I see that. Daily order block. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, okay. Yeah, may the Lord convict us all. I'm feeling the conviction here, man. Oh, Bitcoin. Oh. Oh, please, Bitcoin. Oh, Bitcoin. Oh, no. Well, it is what it is, guys. You know, it is what it is. Look. You gotta take an opportunity. They're not all gonna be winners, y'all. They are not all going to be winners. Oof. Oof. Stopped out, guys. Stopped out. All right. Well, unfortunately, that brings us down $566. All right. Let's check out what's happening here. Oof. Dump City, man. All right. Hang on. Let me pull up the short I took, because I did take a short. But I got to log in. Give me 1 second here. Oh my goodness, we are dumping like a crazy lady. All right. Well, now we're dumping like crazy. The next support resistance flip is going to be this one right here. 64. And then let's talk about my man's support resistance flip at the daily order block. All right, may the Lord convict us all. Let's pull some fibs. Let's pull a fib from low to high. Yeah, you know, we've got the golden pocket there. We've got the daily order block. So we're going to go ahead and put a box right here. This has got to be major support right around this area. And now, let's do some fresh analysis on the higher term time frame. I'm going to go ahead and remove everything here. All right, let's take a look at this as an entire range, all right? Let's assume this is an elaborate liquidity grab, all right? Let's just assume that this is an elaborate liquidity grab. Let's go down to the 4 hour. Man. All right, let's see. I see what you're saying there. 63-ish. 63-ish really is our next area of support. I'd say more like 62. 62-ish is a better looking level here for me. Yeah, 62 is the golden pocket, and it's the bottom of that daily order block. So if we're going to come back, if we're not going to bounce from our value area high, just saying, all right, just throwing stuff out there now. If we're not going to bounce from our value area high, man, that 1 hour, then yeah, it makes sense that we will come down to grab this 62. 63 could be a level, but let's actually go to our TPO chart real quick. Let's go to a TPO chart real quick. And let's take a look. All right, so we have single prints down here. Let's see where the single prints fill. 63,313 is single prints. 63,313. These are single prints. And then 62,863. One second, my bad, y'all. All right, so yeah, 63K. Let's go ahead and put on our daily. The daily level's right there. And the weekly open is also right there. What else did you say that was? A POC of this little chunk? Yeah, we got a little POC right around there. The only thing we don't have is a nice golden pocket. We do have a 786 there. All right. All right, bounce now. People say now we're gonna bounce. Now we're gonna bounce. Now we're gonna bounce. Are we gonna bounce now? I guess we're getting a little bit of a bounce now. Let's check out market Cipher again. Now we are getting the bull divs on the 1 minute and the bull divs on the 6. All right. All right. We've got a nice close. Yeah, what the heck, man? Gonna go for it. I'm gonna go for it again, guys. Don't try this at home, all right? We're gonna have to shoot right now. We're gonna have to shoot for, in order for this to be worth it, we're gonna have to shoot for that golden pocket right here. 66.7. 66,700. Shoot for right there. 64,743. Yeah. It's not the best risk to reward, to be honest with you. It's actually a pretty crappy one. But, let's see what happens. We hit a TP2 on here, and let's see how she goes. All right? Shout out to, do we have Andy in here from Bitcoin Census? Shout out to Andy from Bitcoin Census. What is going on, my bro? What is going on, my bro? All right, we got the market Cipher divs. Let's see, guys. Let's see what's gonna happen now. Come on, Bitcoin. Let's see. Maybe we'll shoot for our 786. Can you imagine that? Can you imagine we shoot for the 786? That's more worth it, in my opinion. All right, so we got some bull div about to print on our 6 minute. All right, we've technically taken out the lows twice now. We got a candle close above the 12 minute. Really nice bull divs on the 12 minute. I'm sorry, man. I can't help it, but it looks really nice. You know, I'm gonna go for it again. All right, we're going for it again, baby. All right. If you missed the first short, don't miss the next one. Yeah, so if we start to pump here, all right, we do need to be aware of this, all right? The back test. Basically, where I'm looking to take profits on the long is where I would add some to my short, all right? All right, I already made 3K on the short. This short, honestly, the reason I took this short is because I was $350,000 long, and we got a really bearish candle, so you know I got to do what I got to do to protect my capital. Locked in a little profit on this. Now let's see how she goes. If we pump from here, we do need to be aware of the potential short at around 67K back test, right? So one of two options, you know, look, if we come up here and we pump, then, oh well, this trade gets stopped out for a $3,000 profit. If we dump from here, as you guys know, my long trade will get stopped out for about an $800 loss, which, you know, is not the best thing in the world, but overall, still profitable on the day, right? We're up 4K on the day, plus another 3K on the short, so we're up 7K on the day, plus another 5K of this trade right here, right? And so if we lose, we'll say $1,500, all right? So that's still $4,000 I made from this long trade, even if this one gets stopped out. So I'm not concerned about it. The reason why I'm taking this long trade is simply because I cannot ignore how nice these lower time frames are looking here. Right? I just can't ignore it. I can't help it. This looks really nice to me, guys. I mean, let me ask you a question. Now, again, this is not financial advice. I'm just showing you guys what I'm doing, right? If I'm messing around, this is not your decision. But what would you guys do in this instance here? All right? If this was a pump, right? And then we took out the high, right? And then we close the candle below with these bearish divergences here, the money flow getting lower on the 12-minute time frame. You know, what would you do? I don't know. I would probably short that. I'll be honest with you. I would probably short that. Come on, Bitcoin. 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 Blah, bloop, 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 blah, bloop, bloop. Come on, Bitcoin. You can do it. Look, if we get wrecked here, we get wrecked. I won't be concerned at all because both of these trades that I'm getting wrecked on, I feel like I'm justified in taking them, right? I feel like if I don't take these trades and we pump, then if I don't take these trades and we pump, then I'll be like, dang, I knew I should have taken those trades. If I do take the trades and we don't pump, well, at least I still made money and I can be confident that I'm trading according to my strategy using good risk management, right? Let's see. We're up $40 in the green. $40 in the green. Let's see if we can't get a little action going on here. All right. We want those pumpkin spice candles to start turning orange. Yeah. Here we go. Bitcoin about to pump. Here we go. Yeah. Yeah. First the candles turning purple and now they're turning orange. I'm so dang hungry, about to eat some porridge. You know I open right through the door with the door hinge, and hopefully we come back to the top sporting the nice jacket that I got today. I put it on my shoulders, I say hip hip hooray, cause we came down, first we got wrecked. Took the long trade, Bitcoin what the heck? Stopped out, lost about $500. Everybody said, yo Jay, let me hear ya holla. Cause after we got stopped out, now the Bitcoin price is about to turn around. Sit back and let me take a peek. Market Cipher beat, it got the uneven butt cheeks. Big on the left side, nice and juicy. Skinny on the right side to round out the booty. And I don't know if y'all can even spot it, but we're about to get a bounce right from the golden pocket. My girl at the bar at night, drink in hand, looking like she's looking for a fight. We take a look at down low, what she got in that trunk. On the left side, see a big massive lump. On the right side, it's looking pretty skinny, like the later at the diner, if you know I'm talking pretty. Dolores, she got that Brooklyn accent, a raspy voice, like she's looking to hack, man. Smoking the cigarette, the smoke's going high. Don't you know the Bitcoin price is about to fly? Will you take a look at her butt down below? What do you see? And what do you know? We got the big old butt cheeks sitting on the left and the skinny right cheek. What she gonna do next? About to pump like, yo, what the heck? Got the bears in-house in check. Think you could short me down and get wrecked? I'm about to show you what the price will do next, because here we go, got the candle turning purple. The Bitcoin price got me spinning in circles. Jason, are you about to rhyme the word with Steve Urkel? Don't you know, now I'm about to say I got a burp, yo. Got the gas in my belly. The purple candles looking like some nice Smucker's grape jelly. Put it on the sandwich with the peanut butter. Don't you know Jay Casper, the better one than any other when it comes to the rappers on the YouTube. Bitcoin pumping, I don't mean to be rude, but I'm the only guy on the web with the Pikachu hat and the bars in my head, with the plunger in my hand as we go across the land. East to west coast, you know we're touching sand. Pacific to Atlantic, we're up in the ocean. The Bitcoin price here I'm trading on BLOFIN. Yeah, got the link in the description. Here's the ad if you know what I'm spitting. 10% cash back, up to $1,000 future bonus. Think about that. You could sign up with the link in the pinned comment in the description. We're about to be a comet in the nice outer space. The Bitcoin price about to blaze and leave you a disgrace in the trace with the dust on your face. When we're looking for the next high place, about to go to the next 618, 66, 700. Know the price is looking great. Hey, all right. So let's see if that's gonna work a little bit. All right. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, Bitcoin. We need some nice candles, all right? We need some nice candles. Five-minute chart's looking good. Yeah, let's check out the 5-minute chart here, guys. Because look, honestly, I think even the 12-minute chart looks kind of nice here. Look at the 12-minute chart. Again, I'm going to invert this, all right? I'm not telling anybody what to do. This is not financial advice. You guys just saw me take a loss. Could have been a win. In fact, if you followed me, I told you this is your chance to get out in a win. But I'm looking for more. All right? But if this, guy, just be honest with me, guys. If this was upside down, would we not all be super bearish right now? If this was upside down, would we not all be bearish right now? Money flow coming down. All right. Would we not all be super bearish at this? This would make me bearish. I'm just being honest, all right? So I'm going for the long again. All right, let's see how she's going to be. Let's see how she's going to be. Let's see how she's going to be. Let's see how she's going to be, baby. Let's see how she's going to be. Baby, please, baby, please. Yeah. Bitcoin, how she's gonna be. Every day got a sandwich with extra cheese. Got the candles pumping spice looking, baby, please. Hopefully we get the orange candles to the next big squeeze. As we're coming to the 618, no, the 12-minute chart is looking so great. As we take a look here at Market Cipher B. Tell me, what do you see? About to go ahead and invert the chart. Got it upside down like a work of art. If this was a pump, I would say we could short it. Bitcoin price got me sad and I'm snorting. Yeah, I'm snorting like a pig. You know Jay Casper, he only does it big. When he's coming to the treadmill, looking for the trades, taking every single day like a snake. What's a snake, you ask? I don't know. But sit back and listen to my Bitcoin flow. As we're pumping up, we're about to come down below. Talking about an upside down dump, don't you know? Cause we're pumping to the next big level. The Bitcoin price about to hit the next level. From the high to the low, got the 618 right here, 66.7. She is looking great. Then we gotta be aware if we come up. Don't get scared, better grab your cup and take a drink. Because if we reject from here, we could sink back to the place, and then we'll hear a tink as we hit the floor. The Bitcoin price about to smash through the door. This is a possibility, more to the downside. If we don't feel it, then maybe we could keep riding to the upside. Bitcoin about to fly, got the blue candle straight up in the sky, in my eye. Ooh, guys, I had something weird happen to my eye. All right, maybe you guys know what this is. All right, maybe one of you guys knows what this is. Look at this. All right, hang on. Look at this. You guys see that? Wait. I got this like popped blood vessel under my eye. I don't know how that happened. Like I was literally like, I took a shower last night, and I looked in the mirror before I take a shower because I brushed my teeth and stuff, right? Totally normal face. I come out the shower, my wife looks at me, she's like, "What happened?" Like, "What you talking about, girl? Girl, what you talking about?" She said, "Jake, come here." I said, What you talking about, Big Butts 28? She came over. She grabbed her monocle. She's like, "Jay, you got something weird on your eye there. It looks like you popped a blood vessel." I'm like, "What? Girl, you tripping." I told her that. I said, "Big Butts 28, you tripping. All right? You must have picked the wrong kind of mushroom out there on the homestead." She said, No, I didn't pick any mushrooms today, Jay." I said, "Really?" She said, "Yeah." Then I looked in the mirror myself, you know? And sure enough, I had that thing on my eye, all right? All right, here we go, baby. Here we go. Oh, no! Probably lifting. I mean, I did have a really heavy leg day yesterday. Heavy deadlifts, heavy squats. All right, heavy deadlifts, heavy squats. But it didn't happen until at night, right? I worked out. I always work out first thing in the morning. First thing in the morning. All right, here we go, baby. Let's, once again, got to sing the pump song. We got to redeem the pump song. The first pump song dumped us. All right, now we got the pump song again. Here we go, baby. About to pump the Bitcoin. Let's go, all right? Here we go. Market Cipher B giving me the cheese. Market Cipher B giving me the cheese, baby. All right, this is the pump song, guaranteed to pump the Bitcoin price every single time. Oh, man. Let's go ahead and do a hypothetical fit here. Let's pump! All right, here we go, baby. We're about to pump this Bitcoin.
Yeah!
Here we go. Here we go, baby. Come on, Bitcoin. We're gonna dump. No, we're gonna pump.
We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go.
You all right? Here we go.
Let's go.
Come on, Bitcoin. Come on. To the 618, baby. Market Cipher B got the uneven butt cheeks on the 12-minute time frame. Here we go.
We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump. Yeah.
All right. Come on, Bitcoin. How's order flow looking? Let's go to the 5-minute time frame. We're at the VWAP. If we reclaim VWAP, guys, it's going to be looking juicy. But if we reject from VWAP, it's going to be looking scary and berry. Oh, come on, Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Please. I'm begging you, Bitcoin. All right, there's no need to get scared. Let's put on our monocles. All right, let's inspect the price action. Lots of orange candles, which can only mean one thing. It can only mean one thing.
We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, yeah we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. We're gonna dump, yeah we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, yeah we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go.
Here we go, baby. We got the orange candles coming up, baby. All right. Okay. Whew. All right, look, we're finding some resistance here. A little bit. A little bit of resistance. All right. A little bit of resistance here. Nothing to be too scared of, my dear. It's a little bit queer. Just a little queer. But again, nothing to be too scared of, my dear, as we're at VWAP. Sometimes things can get a little bit queer at the VWAP. Alright? Once we get above VWAP, we're in the clear! But if we reject from VWAP, then you know it's mad queer! Got a little bull flag about to break out. The Bitcoin price, man, looking like a snout. A little snout, like a little nose right here. Alright? Shout out to Crypto Facts Report. Pair character punched in the air with fist and bump written on his knuckles. That's what's up, my man. Alright, that's what's up, my man. Oof. Not looking the best. Let's see if we came into any fib levels also here. We know we're at the VWAP, that's why we're getting a little bit of a rejection. We're front running the 0.5 Fibonacci. Let's check it out over here. Give me 1 second. Shout out to everybody in the chat, man. You guys are absolutely amazing. I love all of you. I love all of you. I cannot believe, guys, that we've been getting a lot of viewers on these streams. We've been getting like 3,000 people. That's insane, man. That is insane. 3,000 people. I can't believe that, actually. It actually cracks me up to think that 3,000 people watch a guy walk on a treadmill. But shout out to Istophobic. Are we going to dump? Thank you so much for the super chat. Nah, look, we're breaking out of this little flag here. Let's see how she goes. All right, let's see how she goes. We're going to look for a TP at the GP. We're going to look for a TP at the GP, baby. All right. TP at the GP. Come on, Bitcoin. Let's see. Let's check out the order flow. We're flirting with the VWAP. We're literally right at the VWAP right now. Let's go down to the super low time frame. It's not really looking the best, guys. We got a little bit of bearish CVD here, but it's so minuscule. But this is a place. All right, again, guys, I told you guys with the first long trade, if you don't want to take a loss, now it's time to take profit. With this trade, guys, if you followed me in this trade, okay, we have just gotten a move here that you have your chance to close the trade with a 30% profit. I mean, whatever percent with leverage you're using here, okay? This is the chance. If you don't want to get wrecked, now's the chance. Now is the chance. Now is the chance, because we are coming to VWAP. We're seeing, it looks like some longs being absorbed here. But what is giving us hope? The 12-minute green dot. In 8 minutes and 9 minutes, the 12-minute green dot will be confirmed, which will be a very bullish-looking divergence here on our 12-minute time frame. And again, I cannot help but say this looks extremely bullish to me. I cannot help that. All right? I can't help that. It looks bullish to me, man. It looks bullish to me. All right. Shout out to all our super chats and our super stickers for the day. I appreciate each and every one of you. Fake out of the flag, you know. Fake out of the flag. Let's go back to ByBit and see what happened on the 6-minute chart. Did we get a CDW? We did get a local CD dub. Yeah, a little local CD dub right here. A little local CD dub. 1 minute about to cross on the money flow on the 1 minute. So come on, Bitcoin. Can we just pump up a little bit higher to our 618? Just a little bit higher to the 618. Don't you know the Bitcoin price stay looking so great? Don't you know the Bitcoin price stay looking so great? Shout out to Crypto Viking. Shout out to AZTV. He said it's bullish. That's old school Bitcoin price action right there. Face orange biting the nails. Well, we're scared and we got our orange candles and we're staying prepared. All right. Price should stay a while here because of flat earth, says Patriot Can-Am. Random Stuff TV says bullish. Alright, shout out to Bharat Kumar, 55k incoming. Jaggedish OP, I mean, honestly, bro, I would give it a little more time, but there's nothing wrong with... I would give it a little more time, bro, honestly. We've only been trading a few weeks. I would give it a little more time, but hey, who knows? If you feel like you're ready. If I was trans, what kind would I be? I would definitely be a trans non-carbon binary emission gender studies major in college, and my pronoun would be P question mark. I think a lot of people know this. A lot of people don't know this about me, but I also am a transracial, trans incel lesbian. So I'm an incel, involuntarily celibate, black, female lesbian with a degree in trans non-carbon binary emission gender studies. My personal pronoun is P question mark. So thank you for the question, Bernie. I appreciate that. I do appreciate that, man. All right, come on, Bitcoin. This is getting frustrating. I was frustrated. I'm so frustrated. Yeah. Yeah, shout out to Juicy BBC. Yeah, a lot of people don't know that about me, but P question mark? No, just the letter P question mark. Oh, shout out to Bernie, who's trans 9-inch nipples bullish. Oh, nice, bro. Nice. That's what's up, my man. Yeah, I know. Stunning and brave. I know. I am very brave for making that announcement. You know? It's a hard life. You know, my grandfather had to fight in World War II when he was a teenager, and, you know, he risked his life. But that's not really brave. And my other grandfather, you know, came to America during the Great Depression, and he didn't know English, and he had no education. That's not really brave or stunning. But definitely, being a trans, non-carbon binary emission gender studies, trans incel, transracial, black lesbian is probably one of the bravest, hardest things a human being would ever have to go through. And sometimes it's so tough, I just need to sit there in a fetal position in my safe space and think happy thoughts and go out for a latte at Starbucks. Maybe go to McDonald's. You know? Man, Bitcoin. Yeah, this is resistance here. I might just close the trade and call it a day, guys. Not because I don't think we could potentially come higher here, but I might close the trade and call it a day. Just because, well, why not? It's been a good day, and I'm in that kind of trade closing mood right now. Let's see if we lose 65.9. I'll just close this thing and call it a day. 3 minutes until the 12-minute green dot confirmed. You know, I've got some stuff to do today. I don't feel like staying at the chart. I know I don't have to stay at the chart. I got a stop loss and all that, but why didn't I DCA on the trade that got stopped out? I don't do that. I don't DCA on trades that are getting stopped out, bro. That's a one-way ticket to Rex City. DCAing in trades, all right, that are getting stopped out. That's a one-way ticket to Rex City, to be honest with you, because look. There was no way for me to know that this was going to happen, right? I had my level here. My first level was this, right? This red line, 65,282. I said, if we get a bounce here, I'm going to long. We got the bounce here, I long. Stop loss and shooting for the target. It got stopped out. There's really no level that I'm aware of from where we bounced from. So the stupidest thing in the world I could have done was DCA into that trade. The reason I'm in this trade now is because we reclaimed this level again. We reclaimed the level again, and we continue to add bullish divergences, right? And so for me, the confirmations are still bullish, and the price action is bullish, which for me is a valid trade entry. All right, it's a valid trade entry. We got 1 minute until the dot confirms. Let's see what happens here. Let's go to the order flow. It it is looking kind of bearish here, guys, in the sense that CBD is getting higher as the price is getting lower. It looks like longs are being absorbed. We have a very slight increase of CBD here. It looks like longs are being absorbed here. So unless we break up, I'm probably gonna, unless we break out of this and those longs actually push us to the upside. Right now, it looks like someone's building a short from this area to dump us back down. All right, so that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and make sure that I close this trade with like profit, basically. All right. So we're gonna make probably like 700 bucks on the stop out on the trade. And then I will be back tomorrow to look for more trades, because there's always another trade. There's always another day, right? Plus, I'm already in 2 longs. So this guy here, still open, still going strong. And of course, this guy here, still open, still going strong. So it's not like I'm getting out of the market. All right. All right, Jagged Dish OP. I mean, look, do what you want to do, my man. If you feel like you're ready, then by all means, go for it, bro. If you really feel like you're ready, then by all means, go for it. Let's see, how's our 12-minute green dot? Confirmed, baby. All right, 12-minute green dot confirmed, which basically means if we do get a rejection, I would actually look to get long again from down here, to be honest with you. I would look to get long again from down here if we got to move down there. Bro is not even walking. True is true. I'm not even walking. It's fake. It's all fake. Everything's fake. The trades are fake. The money's fake. The treadmill's fake. The computer's fake. All right, let's get rid of our pumpkin spice. Let's put back on our blue candles here. Treadmill's not even on. All right, Mercy. We'll have a chat, bro. We'll have a chat. All right. What's my market cipher settings? Just stock market cipher settings. Nothing special, honestly. Nothing special. It's really nothing special. Just the same as everyone else has. The only difference is I make the VWAP a line instead of an area. That's literally the only difference. Alright, so we've got the 12-minute green dot here. I think we could come up higher, to be honest. I think we could hit that golden pocket. Alright, if we hit that golden pocket, then we make $1,000 and we keep the trade open. If we don't hit the golden pocket, we make $700 and we close the trade. Alright? We either make 1,000 or we make 700 right now. Let's go, baby. And of course, either way, we're going to make back our $560 loss from earlier today, all right? ChatGPT has better flows than me. I hear that that's true. ChatGPT can write a good rap. You know what's interesting is, here's a secret for life, guys. You guys want a life secret? Listen to Uncle Jay tell you a life secret, all right? If you want to seem good at something, find a niche where everybody else doesn't even do it at all right? I'll give you a good example, all right? Being jacked, all right? I was in the metal band, all right? And I wasn't that jacked, all right? If you put me in a room full of fit people, I was probably kind of fat, skinny fat, you know? I just had like bigger arms than normal. But everyone thought I was super jacked because I was surrounded by a whole bunch of skinny dudes, you know? Again, now in the trading space, all right? You want to be a rapper? Don't try and be a rapper, try and be a trader. Because then if some random nerdy white guy breaks out in a nerdy freestyle and he's around serious rappers, no one can take him seriously at all. But if you're a nerdy white guy and you start rapping on a crypto live stream and you're kind of maybe a little bit decent, people are like, hey, you know what? It's not bad. He's not bad. See, it's all the context. If I presented myself as a rapper, people would say I suck. But if I present myself as not a rapper, people say, not so bad. You know? That's the key to life, man. That's the key to life. All right? You just got to put yourself in the right circles. You should chase your dreams and open up a VCR repair shop? Absolutely, man. You should chase your dreams. Absolutely. Alright. When what the heck? When I was a young kid, I had big dreams. Dreams to be successful and make my parents proud. But most specifically, I dreamed that someday I would scream into a toilet plunger with over 2,000 people watching. And yesterday, that dream became a reality, guys. All right? So again, if you have a goal, you want to open up a VCR repair shop, I think you could do it, man. All right? Look, this is the face of success. Some people chase cars. Some people chase big houses. Some people chase VCR repair shops. Some people just want to scream into a plunger with some spring googly eyes coming out their face. Man, you gotta do what you want to do, man. All right? Be on trend, claim natty. Yes, that's a good way. All right. Shout out to HFG. God bless you, man. Shout out to Crypto Coons. God bless you, man. Shout out to Tales of Mystery. God bless you. I want this trade to either pump or get stopped out right now. We need to either pump or get stopped out right now because I'm tired of walking. I'm tired of this boring bull flag. We need some kind of crazy move to happen right now. All right. We either need to make $700 or $1,000 ASAP. All right. Come on, Bitcoin. The 1 minute market Cipher B is about to give us a nice little dot here. Let's check it out. Look at this, 1 minute. This could be the trigger wave that sends us flying up to the 618 right here. Little bit, a few shorts being absorbed at these lows here. Let's see, baby. Come on, Bitcoin. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on! Massive 1 month green dot? No way. Nah, you playing. You're playing, come on, don't do that to me. Oh, you're talking about 1 minute? You use the capital M. You can't use capital M's if you're talking about the 1 minute chart, all right? We don't, it's not there yet. It's not there yet. Shout out to Rakia Zafar. Thank you so much for the super chat. God bless you. Thank you so much for that. Shout out to Robbie Axelrod for the super chat. Caught the long also. Did you major in interpretive dance? I didn't major in interpretive dance. I'm sorry, Robbie. You only have so much time in college, all right? Shout out to Crypto Facts Report again. Smash the like. Let's get to 2,000 likes. Come on, 1 minute Market Cipher B. What's it gonna be, Market Cipher B? Come on, come on. The 12 minutes either gonna give us we need, this is now or never. Honestly, this is now or never. So I really want some follow through here. I either want to pump or I want to dump. All right, come on, Bitcoin. We're tired of watching you. Tired of watching the Bitcoin. Shout out to Crex. All right, shout out to HFG. He says we're going back up, brother. I hope so. I hope so. It's going to be the green dot on the 1 minute. Come on, 1 minute. Here we go, baby. 1 minute green dot of printing. 50 seconds until bullishness. Let's go, baby. Oh, come on, come on, come on, Bitcoin. Look at that, the floppy butt cheeks. Can you even believe it? Oof. 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 Come on, Bitcoin, come on. What's my strategy? My strategy is really, I just like to talk like this and hope for the best. Shout out to Rakai Zafar again. How man trade did you take today? I'm new here. How many trades did I take today? 3. I've taken 3 trades today. This is my 3rd one, which is about to get closed out for about a $700 profit here. What a painful, painful thing this is, honestly. Why did I short 67.5? Because it was a great place to hedge, honestly. And I did say that. It's a great place to hedge. But look, you got to think, if I'm long, and I'm $350,000 long, and I see something like what we saw here, after a big pump, and all of a sudden we're seeing dump, I got to protect myself. I got to, because think about it. Right? You know, let's say you get stopped out of here, right? And you lose like $1,500, right? You lose $1,500. Does it really matter when you're up $45,000 to lose $1,500? No. So if we dump, I'm only losing money. If we pump, I pay $1,500 to not lose money, you know? Now, if we dump and I'm short, then I'm not losing money, I'm making money, right? I'm making money even though we're dumping. So that's why I did that. I gotta do it. Like, it's part of the strategy. It's part of risk management. But you can only do that, if you are already in the profit. Like, you can't do that constantly. You'll trust me, you'll eat away your profits. You have to do it tactfully, like this right now. Look at this bounce, baby. Come on, Bitcoin. Baby, we're bouncing. About to break out the bull flag. All right. It's actually more like a bull flag now, and not like a triangle. Come on, Bitcoin. Let's pull the flag. It's looking good. Here we go. Am I live every day? Nah. Nah, it depends on the day. I'm not going to be live on Thursday, I'll tell you that. Until it stops out you out in the short and dumps anyway. No, that's not true. Well, that is a potential, right? That's why you put your stop above the high. Like, you say, if this is the top, then this is my stop, right? And if that happens, then, yeah, that does suck. That does suck. That's why you gotta just do it at those key areas. And for me, after a massive pump like this, it's obviously unsustainable. Once you start to dump, you know, I mean, look at the 1 hour chart. You got a crazy blue candle like this. As soon as New York opens, once you start to dump, it's, you know, it's probably not gonna be a small pullback. It's probably gonna be a quick liquidity grab. And now we got our slow, painful move up here. All right, we got our slow, painful move up. Oof, oof, oof. All right, all right, all right, all right, guys. I think I'm gonna head out. All right. God bless you in Jesus' name. May Jesus bless everybody watching, even if you're not religious. That's fine. I do pray everybody is blessed. And Lord willing, I will see you guys tomorrow. All right? Take care.